Hi there. We're about to get into gear in this turbocharged regular season matchup, and I just dare Jim to deny it.
I don't deny it.
That's because you don't dare.
Whatever. Smith takes possession of the puck. Carter. He gets laid out. Delayed call against Lidstrom. Joseph made the save. Lidstrom is going to the box for cross-checking.
This guy's been condemned to the dark, dreary world of the penalty box.
Detroit gets hit with the penalty.
And Jim, that's gotta hurt their chances in this one.
Newendike. Salo made the save.
That could have been goal number 1 for him. Instead, just a shot.
Joseph denies him.
Saves like that make all your short-handed worries a thing of the past.
Newendike gets hold of the puck. Ninema touches up for the icing call. Chelios. Yager took it. Yager fires it. Desjardins corrals it. Gilmore takes it. Taken out.
Bada bing, bada kaboom. Nice hit.
Shoots the puck. The door is shut by Salo. Pisa. Bure took the puck.
Through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Detroit puts its third line out. Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Tunge gets the shot off.
Oops, somebody forgot to tell him to put it on net.
Ripped hard from the left. White grabs the puck. Kuba with it now. Save by Salo. Delayed penalty call coming up for Edmonton. Edmonton will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
Smith.
A 5-minute major for charging.
Brewer grabs the puck. Iserman. Solani returns it. Salo hangs on for the whistle. Desjardins takes control of the puck. Carter grabs it, mowed down. It's 2-on-1. Desjardins shoots the puck. Fedotenko. Solani, kick save.
1 minute, he's standing in the net minding his own business. The next, blammo!
Brewer jumps on the loose puck. Detroit ran out of time on that power play. Backhand turned aside by Salo.
And that's why his teammates always let him ride shotgun after the game.
Pisa gets hit.
He aced that hit and made the guy look like a joker.
Turned away.
He saw the puck coming a mile away and planned a little welcome back party.
Carter cannonading drive. Yager picks up the puck from Joseph. Glarak grabs it. Ninema goes to the backhand. Joseph stoned him.
In the first period.
Tunge with the puck.
That's the first.
Detroit looking a tie game in the face.
Well, if they look at firing the puck in the net, things could really work out for them, Jim. Jim, these teams have both done their homework on each other.
Neither team is letting the other one have an inch. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Shatan. Tunge gets hold of the puck. Shatan trapped offside and play is stopped. Morrow. Taken out. Brewer grabs the puck. Solani. Breakaway. Shoots. Salo stoned him cold. Fedotenko shot it. Dopita takes control of the puck. Morrow returns it. Cleary. He dumps it in. Solani takes it. Brewer has it. Iserman gets it. Edmonton puts its scoring line out. Iserman shoots the puck. He scores!
Here's some advice for all you kids out there. Set the puck soaring, and you'll do some scoring.
Well done. It's early in the second, and things are starting to heat up.
They better break out the Speedos and the SPF 45.
He scores! It trickled in.
I should make a movie about that goal. Although I guess no one would pay money to see a 3-second movie.
They came out looking to increase their lead and did just that early in the second.
I'd give them all a big pat on the back if they'd lift the collective restraining order.
Shatan takes possession of the puck. Nieuwendyk got it. Tanguay takes it. Shatan grabbed it. Desjardins picks it up. Gilmore. Green now with it. Bure put the puck between his skates.
And skates away.
Shoots the puck. Stoned by Joseph.
He does not give up. He will not give up.
Nieuwendyk with the puck. And there's a fight going on.
Well, sometimes when you don't have time to stop and chat, a few punches in the head is the best way to put your message across. He dropped them like a cheap card table.
Yeah, and in front of a full house. Horkoff is a face-off king.
For his birthday, his teammates bought him a robe and crown.
Really?
You know, the same outfit I got you.
Nieuwendyk takes control of the puck. Tanguay. Nieuwendyk has it now. Tanguay. Verbata jumps on the loose puck. Shoots it. Denied by Salo.
Right back at you. Booyah!
Verbata. Zubov grabbed the puck. With a wrist shot. Door slammed shut by Joseph.
The shooter has got to feel a little let down. Just a little.
Carter shoots the puck. Blocked. Fedotenko. Yzerman gets muscled off the puck. Carter gobbles it up. Ronning. Edmonton jumps on it. Mowed down. Kuba. Offside, Detroit. Once the glass is replaced, the game will continue. Green had the puck. Edmonton in control now. He dumps it. Bure takes possession. Desjardins roughs up Robitaille. Robitaille gets hold of the puck. Yager. Lidstrom corrals it. Detroit gets it. Fires it. Pad save.
Try again later, fellows.
Desjardins. Bure has the puck. Green now has it. That's the end of period 2. Detroit really putting on the hits.
And it's put them ahead to the tune of 2. Welcome back to the game, everybody.
One team's hot and one team's not. Ronning. Smith. Shot the puck from the right. Joseph closed the door.
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Nieuwendyk. Shoots it. Blocked. Nieuwendyk fires. Ninema takes control of the puck. Smith. He's off. Shoots. Joseph with a huge save. Tanguay. Nieuwendyk with the puck. Shatan has it now. Stoned cold by Salo. Salo freezes the puck. Bure grabs it. Bure! Williams. Smolinski grabs the puck. Fires! Green. Bure gets laid out. Nylander takes possession of the puck. Smolinski now with it.
Now, if only he could have hit the net with that.
Desjardins. Gilmore got the puck. Taken out.
I'll bet he didn't have that in his day planner.
Smolinski. Lidstrom shoots. Ninema takes control of the puck. Ninema running, returns it. Edmonton takes over. Carter, one-timer, blocked. Chelios with the puck. Robitaille gets checked.
Forget fate.
Scores!
A goal with more polish than an Army cadet boot rack.
They look baffled by that last play, and it could come back to haunt them, too.
That's a little creepy.
Murray gets hold of the puck.
The goal was unassisted.
Yzerman. Yzerman fires it. Salo turned the shot aside. Carter. Smith shoots, scores!
Will we see a bigger goal this game? I don't think so.
And that will tie things up nicely.
They're facing a revitalized opponent who's figured out a way to break open their defense, not where they wanted to find themselves.
Tanguay Robitaille gets the puck. Big hit.
At least now he can scratch take a painful hit off his life's to-do list.
Bure. Green with the puck. Bure corrals it. Joseph, great save.
He's the savior of save.
Robitaille. Ronning grabs the puck. Bure took it. He dumps it in on the inboards. Yzerman corrals it. Zubov has it, shoots it. Joseph denied him. Robitaille jumps on the loose puck. Long pass. Ronning. A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw. Lock draw, Jim, you know.
Last minute of play.
Jeez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
No. Ronning. Tanguay lays him out.
Behold, the human battering ram.
A delayed penalty call against Ninema. He gets called for elbowing.
Jim, did you know the referee's uniform was actually created so that officials would stand out from players on long-ago low-risk...
Robitaille scores! That's a power play goal!
When you're under the dark cloud of a power play, the shots can come raining in.
Detroit takes the lead with seconds remaining.
It's nothing but end-to-end excitement here at EA Sports. We make a roller coaster look like a ride in a baby carriage.
Yzerman wins the draw. Brewer gets checked.
Yeah, well, that's gonna happen sometimes.
Salo is going off the ice.
One goal behind in the final minutes. This is going to be a wild, woolly one.
Solani shoots the puck from the left. He scores the empty netter. Detroit has ensured itself victory now.
But they can't get careless. Believe me, when you get careless, mistakes happen. Sorry again about that whole pastry gun thing, Jim.
Nieuwendyk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Salo is heading off.
And some other dude is heading on. Oh yeah, that's the extra attacker.
Are you okay?
Rough weekend, Jimbo.
And so ends another chapter in the great book of...